Welcome to my channel. Verizon Fios CR1000A Setup Guide. Step 1. Unbox your Verizon CR1000A router. Remove the Verizon Fios CR1000A router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable from the box. Check that all accessories are included before you begin. Step 2. Turn off your old router, if replacing one. If you're upgrading from another router, unplug the old router completely. Disconnect its power and Ethernet cables before installing the new CR1000A. Step 3. Connect the router to the ONT. Locate your Verizon Optical Network Terminal, ONT. Connect an Ethernet cable from the ONT to the WAN port on the CR1000A router. If you have Verizon Fios TV, connect the coax cable as well if required by your installation. Step 4. Power on the router. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a wall outlet. Press the power button if needed. Wait 3 to 5 minutes until the front LED becomes solid, indicating the router is ready. Step 5. Connect your device. Using your phone, laptop, or tablet, connect to the default Wi-Fi network printed on the label on the back of the router. Enter the default Wi-Fi password exactly as shown. Step 6. Access the router settings. Open any web browser and go to 192.168.1.1. Sign in using the administrator credentials printed on the router label or the custom password if you've already changed it. Step 7. Change your Wi-Fi name and password. For better security, create a unique Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and a strong password. Save the changes and reconnect all your wireless devices using the new credentials. Step 8. Check your internet connection. Connect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, and other devices to the new Wi-Fi network. For the best performance, use an Ethernet cable whenever possible. Step 9. Connect your devices. Connect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, printers, and other devices to your new Wi-Fi network. Use an Ethernet cable for faster and more stable connections when possible. Step 10. Complete your setup. Place the router in a central location for better Wi-Fi coverage. If needed, add a Verizon Wi-Fi extender and keep the router firmware updated for the best performance and security. Thanks for watching.